Art Collins here with another system, the Daily Opening Gap Extender. So this is going to key off of opening prices on the day sessions that gap above the day's high, today's high, or open below today's low. But it has to be by a certain amount. Set your chart for daily bars, day session only, 8:30 a.m. to 3:15 p.m. Central. If today's open minus yesterday's high is at least 15% of the average 3-day range, in other words, picture a gap, the 8:30 open is going to be above the previous day's high by an amount of 15% of the average 3-day range, then you buy at that open plus an additional 15% of the average 3-day range on a stop. Maybe a little wordy, but the concept is simple, okay? If yesterday's low minus today's open, this would be for the down gap, is at least 15% of the average 3-day range, sell short at the open minus 15% of the average 3-day range on a stop. And exit at the 3:15 p.m. day session close. So here you have today's high. It gaps way up here, which is more than 15% of this average 3-day range. So once that happens, you compute 15% of this average, and you add it to the open for a buy stop. You hold the trade all day, and you exit it on the close. Here, the open was below the day's low by at least 15% of the average 3-day range. So then you subtract another 15% of that average range from the open. That's your sell stop. Sell stop entry. Okay? Hold that trade, exit on the close. And you get kind of a nice figure. And the S&P is 37,000 from the beginning of 2010 through November 11th, 2020. 597 trades. 54% profit, $63 average trade before slippage commission on those 597 trades. A reasonable drawdown of $74.35. That figure into the ultimate profit for the time period would have given you 507% had you started with your worst drawdown amount. We do get corroboration across all the major stock-related indices, futures. Dow's close, 34,000 there on a worst drawdown of 78.40. And all of them confirm, as we always demand. So another system for you. And, of course, this book contains several more that probably would be of help to you. And again, thanks for joining me. Until next time.